If you're not integrating AI in your business, then you're missing out. You're probably gonna fall behind. You're gonna have to use AI now and learn about AI and its function. And so in this video, I'll give you a step-by-step breakdown on what you can do as a landscaper to use AI and get most from its benefits. So without any more talking, let's dive into it. When we think about AI and landscaping, we can essentially build a website now for your landscaping business using AI. This is like you can build like a website that is better than 99% of the landscapers, and you don't have to pay someone to come and do it for you. You can prompt AI and make a code and connect the hosting domain, and you can probably set it up with the help of AI right now. And if you have a website, what you can do is upload the website on a ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, whatever you can use them, or you can use them like all with like integration AI. You can find softwares who integrate all the AIs, so you don't have to jump between all those AIs. So whenever you can upload the URL, and they will give you feedback, and you can make actions towards those feedback, right? And also you can use content, so website content and your social media content. You can use AI for generating video ideas, hooks, and different topics you can talk about, and different trends going on that you can follow to gain more customers, right? And you can also do competitor research with them. I'll touch on this a bit later, so keep watching. I'll drop the most advanced thing in the last. So for right now, whenever we want to be consistent in our content, you can even do content planning on AI. You can see the video topics and plan a 30 days content. You can do whatever. Like right now, go to like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, and tell them to write a 10 days content sequence and see what they do. And you will also implement on your own thing. So don't just copy everything that the AI say. Also integrate your brain and your personality, which makes this a better thing, right? And now whenever we are like talking about AI and getting more jobs, one of the things that will give you the most leverage is CRM. So if you don't have a CRM, my friend, you should like set it up without any question. And whenever you set up a CRM, in every 4 months of the year, you want to do what we call a reactivation campaign, which is basically you hitting all your leads, all your previous buyers. Hey, I'm selling this new thing, I'll offer you a discount, or an offer that you have. We also help you building an offer. There's a link in the description. You can see and book a call with us. So whatever. So if you wanna if you drop the offer to the customer in the CRM, we also build you a custom CRM, so you don't have to do any of this headache thing or whatever. And you will get tons of customers just from that without wasting any dollars on ad or anything. That is just the beauty of it. You should do it every 4 months. We have seen landscapers doing it, have great success with it. And if you have time, you can even call them, right? You can even call some of them that you think that would convert. And now, which brings me to my next point. Now, speed to lead is very important. Whenever a lead comes in or a lead calls us, we want to be present all the time. So we either hire someone to be present, because we can't be like present sitting there and taking the calls, because that's not the most valuable thing we can do. So what we can do is hire someone either, or now there's, you can do AI receptionist, which is basically just basically take the call and try to book a call with you. And this is just amazing. This is one of the things that you should definitely try out and see how many calls you're missing and how many opportunities actually you're missing. And when you apply it, you will not miss any call and maybe get some opportunities back. This is just the beauty of it. Go there, and if you try it, we also help implementing this, by the way. And so I don't want to like promote it or anything. If you want to buy it, there's a link in the description or whatever. I'm not forcing you, or enjoy the show. So enjoy the show, right? And now we go to the parts of business, or like we want to build systems. We want to build systems and SOPs, which is standard operation procedures. So whenever a new guy comes on our team, there should be a step-by-step guide or a thing that he can follow to replicate the best results of the team that are doing it, or the person that are doing it. So we wanna make results replicatable, replaceable, or whatever. So we wanna make them replaceable. So now we need to build systems which they can follow, right? We can also use the help of AI with this. With our brain and AI, we can definitely craft something or a system that will maybe show how to recruit someone and how to get a job done, how to go to the property and how to talk to someone in the property, how to sell and how to get a sales, how to do estimates and what to look for and what are pros and cons, who should we be working on. There's a lot of stuff, right? We should also get this and get everything, like if everything should be set up and organized, so anyone on your team can follow, and you don't have to waste your time giving them a lecture or giving them some advice. You can obviously do that, but every time that's just too much. That's gonna waste your time. So what you do is you have everything organized, and you give them something like a software or a link, and they can go there and see what their step-by-step plan is, and they would implement it to get the best results. And this is the thing that's gonna take you to the 6, 7, 8, 9 figures, right? Systems and SOPs. This is the main one. And now we come to the advanced AI part. So AI can just give you information, but it doesn't have hands or legs to do the action for you. But now you can actually give AI hands and legs by using like Claude Code, which is an AI assistant or an agent who does the work for you. Let's say you want to upload a video by Monday, right? You don't have to go there and schedule it even. You can give the agent an separate computer or a laptop. Many people are doing Mac Mini. Many people are using Mac Mini with that right now. Many people are buying Mac Mini for the AI agent. So what you can do is, also you don't have to essentially buy a Mac Mini. You can host a computer, like something like Hostinger. You can actually rent a computer with monthly, and you have to pay them monthly, and you can obviously do that. You can do competitor research. So if you upload, if you give them the information, the more information you feed this AI agent, that has hands and legs and can do the work, then can do the action, he's gonna turn out to be the best employee for you. He can do competitor research, he can even upload ads, he can do content, he can manage website, it can do all the things. It can manage it can help you with the operations, it can help you with the team meetings, all the small things that you shouldn't be worrying about, you can fix with that. And you also, like, if you do this alone, you will be ahead of most people. Most people are not realizing its benefits right now, but it has a lot of benefit. So the benefit I have like explained to you now, what are the uses. Now let's say you want a really practical way, you want to get started with AI. So first thing first, you can try and implement AI receptionist, and you should build a plan or your content plan with AI. This is the second steps. And you can try to look for AI agent or see what they offer, so you can kind of like get an idea. And you don't have to do this all yourself. You should hire someone, because business, as a business owner, it's your job, and your job to hire. Your business is solely dependent on your hiring and your sales team. So you want to hire someone, an expert who constantly keeps up with AI and also do the work for you. That's where we come in. We do this all for you. You don't have to do, so you don't have to waste any minute of your time like researching on it or building an AI agent, doing this complex thing whatsoever.